The Vantana Deluxe by Hobby is offered with two layouts. The main difference is the arrangement of the bed. In the K60 ET version, there is a transverse bed with an overall length of 599 centimeters. And in the K65 ET model, there are longitudinal beds in the rear with an overall length of 636 centimeters. Both models feature a seating area at the front with swivel pilot seats. Next to the sliding door is the kitchen block with a 2-burner gas stove and a sink, as well as storage cabinets for kitchen utensils. At the front of the kitchen block is the refrigerator, which can be opened from both sides. In the middle of the camper van is the bathroom. It offers a toilet, a sink, a window, and a shower.